How do you get paid off of your YouTube channel without being monetized? Hi guys, my name is Tiffany and this is my take. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so no, I'm not going to tell you to set up a stand store. I'm not going to tell you to sell an ebook. I'm not going to tell you to sell digital products. I am not even going to suggest that you register for an affiliate marketing program. But I am going to give you some advice that I have yet to see any other influencer or content creator talking about. Now, no, I am not a monetized content creator. My channel is small and it's new. But as a person that has worked on the side of marketing and I have hired influencers, I am always thinking outside of the box, and hopefully the tips that I am going to share with you today are going to help you to get some sponsorship, brand deals, and collaborations that maybe you thought that you couldn't get because your channel wasn't monetized. So I know you've been on Instagram or maybe even YouTube and you've seen some small channels and they have paid sponsorships, but you're like, how do they get brand deals when I know that their channel is not monetized? They don't even have the little super thanks, stickers. So they haven't even reached the first stage of monetization. Well, I am here to tell you, they probably have their pages signed up with marketing influencer companies. Did you even know that that existed? Today, I would like to share 4 free platforms that you can sign up with as a content creator, whether you are micro or macro, and hopefully get some brand sponsorship deals. Okay, so settle in. The first one that I would like to share with you today is going to be a brand called Heepsy. I hope I'm saying that right. It's Heepsy. Now, Heepsy is a powerful influencer marketing search tool that is going to allow for you to search for the brands that you would like to collaborate with. And even with their free level, you are going to get access to a ton of different brands. Now, a pro tip with Heepsy, if you have 5,000 or more followers, that is going to open you up to the opportunity of more brands. Also, with Heepsy, they do have different paid tiers of membership that you would like to that you can sign up for if you would like to further your reach with the different brands and give you more brand opportunities. But again, Heepsy is going to be one that allows for you to find the brands and pitch yourself. Alrighty. Website number 2 is going to be Aspire. Now, Aspire is going to be the best platform that is going to allow for brands to find you. Aspire was formerly known as, I guess, Aspire IQ. If you're looking to work for big name brands like Nike and maybe HelloFresh, then this is where you want to be. What makes Aspire different, again, is going to be that instead of you searching for brands, brands are going to search for you. That means that once you are approved with Aspire, brands will reach out to you if they think that you are a good fit. Now, the one thing that I can't lie about, in my research, I've seen that Aspire is one of those websites that is truly and highly competitive. So a couple of tips I have come up with in order to help you optimize your view on Aspire. So the first one is going to be optimize your bio. Brands love creators that have a very clear niche and a engagement focused audience. Number 2, make sure that you are uploading high quality content and maintain a professional online appearance. Brands want influencers that have polished pages. Number 3, even if you have a small following, your engagement rate is what matters the most. Aspire is going to be great for micro or macro influencers. And if you get in, you could land some really big sponsorships. Number 3 is going to be Upfluence. Again, Upfluence is going to be one of those companies that allow for brands to find you. With Upfluence, all you have to do is sign up for an account, create your social media or connect your social media accounts, and Upfluence is going to do the rest. Brands search for creators on their platform, and with them, they are looking for creators that are based on engagement, location, and audience demographics. So a lot of maybe the smaller brands, or not even smaller brands, but brands that are looking to hone in on customized markets, more local marketing focused, they are going to use platforms like Upfluence. And last but not least, we have Klear, and that is Klear. 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 Now, Klear is going to be your best website to get signed up with if you are looking 100% for paid brand collaborations. With the other ones, you might often get paid with product. Well, with Klear, it's all about getting paid with money. What makes Klear unique is going to be their AI-powered search. With that, brands use their tool to find engagement rate that is high. So you want to make sure that your engagement rate is high because Klear is going to search for influencers kind of based on their metrics and not necessarily just their following count. So if you're serious about making serious money as an influencer, Klear is going to be the marketing application for you. So which one should you choose? Well, if you want to search for brand deals, then my suggestion would be try Heepsy. If you want for brands to reach out to you, then my suggestion is going to be to try Aspire or Upfluence. If you are looking for high-paying sponsorships, well, then Klear is going to be your best bet. Well, guys, now it is your turn. Can you go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know which of these websites are you going to register your platform for first? My name is Tiffany. This is my take. Be blessed. Have a blessed day. And most importantly, do what you can to bless someone else's day.